Welcome back, everybody. This is Kevin from Walker's Adventures. Check the link below to our store for all your RV travel logs, vacation planners, weekly, monthly, yearly planners. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications.
Don't know if you can see or not, Mom, but I thought you might want to. May not have got enough snow this year, but it's coming down pretty damn good right now. Yeah, it's coming. They don't do it justice, but it's really coming down pretty good. Well, came to North Dakota to work for a Southern Cross, and this is what we woke up today. It's March the 30th, I think, something like that. Sadie, she's outside. She ain't really too interested in it though. Well, we have been here about 2 weeks now. I can say we've seen more snow now than we have in about 20 years. This is the reason we always want to stay where the weather's warm at. It's not supposed to stick though, but you can see it is sticking. It's pretty, but I think it's always prettiest when it's on TV and you're not in it. Well, I don't know what my lovely wife Linda was thinking. She said, oh, let's go to North Dakota in the end of March, 1st of April to work for Southern Cross. I don't think you can really see how big the snow is. Let me just tell you, it's like just about a whiteout. You can kind of see behind me. I'm going to flip it around in just a minute. Tomorrow's supposed to be our first day of field training. I don't know if we go down in the field in this or not. But let me turn around so you can see how heavy it's snowing. You see that? This is crazy, ain't it? This morning when we woke up, there was no snow on the ground. See, right now, on the hood of the truck, we probably got maybe 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. You can see it right there. Crazy. I guess if you want to make the big bucks, you gotta come up here in the winter. I don't see Sadie. She don't know what to think about it. Look at her. You hear all those boards over there in the tree? Look at that. How much is coming down? This tells you it's crazy. I seen on Linda's weather app they said 1 to 3 inches. On mine at one point I seen 3 to 5. Let's hope that one of them's wrong and we get like under 1. Would be best. Well, you can see we got 2 seasons here. This morning it was winter with the snow. Probably got between 1/2 inch and 1 inch of snow. It snowed till lunchtime, or 12. And at 5 o'clock, it's spring. It's a whole balmy 37 degrees. And no snow, it all melted. Linda's just a cackling over there. You just don't see that every day. 2 turkeys out in the field. That's about the only wildlife we've seen up here in Bismarck the whole time we've been here. Well, no, we have seen some pheasants and some like chipmunks. What are they called? What else are they called? I don't know what they're called. Prairie dogs, but yeah, not much wildlife. They're actually pretty big. There's 4 more turkeys out there walking. Pretty big too. Just thought you'd like to see the wild turkeys. You don't get to see wild turkeys every day. Well, I come to North Dakota and they get a historic snow event. It's been snowing now about 3 hours. We're in downtown. You see it blowing. Well, this is a big blizzard of North Dakota 2022. I don't know what we was thinking to come up here. We probably got, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 inches right this minute on the way back from training back to the house, doing a whole whopping 20 miles an hour. You can see it's just blowing snow across the road.
It's almost a whiteout.
Almost a whiteout. I don't know what we was thinking. I guess it's trying to catch up on all the snow that we missed over the last 20 years in 1 week. But we're just kind of cruising right along. Taking it nice and slow to get back to the house. Well, we made it home. I think here it looks like we've got probably about 3 to 4 inches of snow. And it's still blowing to beat the band. But we made it home safe, and now we ain't going out again until spring. Hope we stocked up good. You can see it's still snowing. We're getting some good snow drifts. It's been snowing like this now for about 12 hours. So it's really coming down. Has no sign of it looks like it's going to let up anytime soon either. Everybody's hunkered down. Well, I don't know if you can see or not, but it's day 2 of the historic blizzard in North Dakota. They just went by the road. You can see right there and scraped the thingy. Probably looks like it's about a foot deep. On the news it said we got 12 inches of snow. We're doing good. We're in the inside. We're warm. Sadie just went outside and went to the bathroom. So we're doing good. Just up here hanging out. That pretty tree over there. Winter Wonderland. Now I'm outside. They say on the news we got about a foot of snow, but because the wind's been blowing so much, can't really get an accurate reading. You see the snow drift? There's the front of our RV. Look at how deep this is. Some of this is 3 foot deep right here. Well, I knocked all that off. Linda's out here building her once-in-a-lifetime snowman. How many times you built a snowman? 9.
I don't know how.
So this is number 1 she's building.
Yeah.
You got the base about done. Said you got the base about done. I don't know if you can see it or not, but Linda's about done with the snowman. Got to cover up the poop. Somebody didn't clean up after themselves. That's right, don't play with the yellow snow. Not too bad. No, can't really see it though. Kind of all blends together.
Be right back.
Okay, there's Linda's snowman. She said she ain't done with it yet. And Linda's got a snowman done with the Southern Cross. Out checking gas lines. Got the scarf and the hat, safety vest, but he just lost his nose.
Oh, get his nose.
Well, it's day 3 of the great blizzard of 2022. They said it's supposed to stop snowing. You can see it's still blowing to beat the band. Just a heads up, I don't think we're gonna make it. We got some people here that's offering the snow shovel to get some cardio. I don't see there's no need to dig out when it's still coming down. Now granted, I might need one to get out the door at some point, but that's neither here nor yonder. We ain't ready to get out the door yet. We kick Sadie out when she wants to go out and she don't stay long.